So for this video I was making a double spiral and I thought it would be very awesome to teach you how to make a double spiral. So I took my camera and I'm gonna make this tutorial right now. So I have two double spirals right here. What's typical on the double spiral is you have like this kind of cord, I call it, that's made. It's like two different rows and they blend in very well together. So I have this one, it's just seed beads, and I have another example where I use a different type of beads. I used fire polish beads in it, I used seed beads, I used delicate beads, I used a lot of different things. So but I was making this like pink one, and I thought it was very beautiful and I wanted to teach you guys. So what do you need for a double spiral? It's a very easy bracelet or necklace to make. You just need two different things. You need seed bead size 8 and you need seed bead size 11. Seed bead size 8 in one color. You won't see it afterwards, but make sure it fits with the rest of your work. So if you must see it, it's not ugly in your work. So I choose the white ones, and then I choose two. This is a pink one, and this is kind of bronze color, seed bead size 11. So both seed bead size 11, one seed bead size 8. Then I'm gonna take my fire line again, scissors and a needle, and we're gonna get started. So to get started, I'm gonna pick up 3 seed beads size 8, like that. So 3 seed bead size 8. Gonna zoom in a little bit for you guys. 3 seed bead size 8, and now I'm gonna pick up 5 seed beads size 11. 1, and I wanna keep on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna show you again. 3 seed bead size 8, 5 seed bead size 11, and I'm gonna put them on my thread like that. Leave a little tail like I normally do. I'm gonna put them on my finger for the first time like this. Wait till the camera gets sharp like that, and then I'm gonna sew through the 3 size 8 like that. Only the 3 size 8, and I'm gonna pull. Hold your tail in the beginning or you will lose your work. I had it many times, that's why I tell you. So then we're gonna take a look at it. So I have my 3 8s and then I have my 5 seed bead size 11. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna flip my work to the other side like that. So I'm left-handed, that's why I take it to the other side. And then I'm gonna pick up 5 seed bead size 11 from the other color. 4, 5. So 5 seed beads size 11, and I'm gonna sew through the seed bead size 8 again, like that. And I'm gonna hold the previous one I added on to make sure they don't slide away. So then we have like this. So now I'm gonna flip my work again. So I have the first ones I added on my left side because I'm left-handed. Then I'm gonna pick up 1 seed bead size 8 and 5 seed beads size 11 in the color we first added. So like that, 1 seed bead size 8, 5 seed bead in the color we first added. I'm gonna put them on my work like they're going on top of the ones I already got. My camera wants to work with me today. Like this, so you can see it better like that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna skip the first bead and I'm gonna sew through the last seed beads, 3 seed bead size 8. So you always need 3 seed bead size 8 to go through. So I'm gonna take the last 3 one. I'm gonna sew, and I'm gonna put my seed beads size 11 upon the previous seed beads size 11 I added. So now it's gonna look like that, a little bit messy. 2 seed beads size 11 loops, 1 seed bead size 11 on the other side. So I'm gonna turn my work over again, like that. I'm gonna add 5 seed bead size 11 in the second color. So this time I'm not adding a seed bead size 8, I'm only adding my 5 seed bead size 11. I'm gonna add it on my work, like that. So like that. And I'm gonna sew again through the 3 latest seed bead size 8. Is 1, 2, 3. Through these 3. I'm gonna pull and put them on top of the previous loop. So as you can see, it look a little bit messy, but it will get better, I promise. So you just need to add on more seed beads to make it look beautiful. It's just the beginning. So I'm gonna flip over again, like that. I'm gonna pick up 1 seed bead size 8, 5 seed bead size 11 from the first color. So again, like this. I'm gonna add them on my thread, like that. I always put them on my finger to make it a little bit more easy. So I'm gonna take the 3 last ones, so I'm gonna go through the 2 ones already on my work and a new one I'm gonna add, like that. Then I'm gonna pull and I hold my work and I put it on the next loop, like that. So now I have 3 loops like that, 2 loops on the other side. So I'm gonna turn my work over, pick up 5 seed beads from the second color, like this. Gonna take my work again and I'm gonna go through the last 3 seed beads size 8. Hold the work while putting on the seed beads and form the loop. So now I have this, and on the other side I got this. So I'm gonna turn my work over again, and you just keep repeating, doing what I'm not now doing. So adding on 1 seed bead size 8, 5 seed beads of the first color, like that. So 1 seed bead size 8, 5 seed beads of the first color, adding on the thread, like that. Going through the 3 latest seed bead size 8, the 2 already on your work, the third one just you add it, pull, like that, and it keeps on your work. Turn your work over to the other side, pick up 5 seed beads from the second color, without seed bead size 8, like this. Go through the 3 last seed bead size 8, like that. And now we got this. So, and as you can see, the one color is started to blend in with the other color. So I'm gonna do one more for you guys. So turn over again, 1 seed bead size 8, 5 seed bead size 11 in the first color, like that. Put on your work. Like that. I put it on my finger to make it look more easy. Go through the last 3 seed bead size 8, so the 2 you already added on your work and the 1 you're gonna add to your work, and then pull and make sure your loop gets on top of the under loops. Turn your work over. Take 5 seed bead size 11 out of the second color. Like that. 5 seed beads size 11 out of the second color. Add them on the work. Go through the last 3 seed beads size 8. Pull and make sure the loop gets on top of the other loops. So when we take a look at our work right now, you can see color 1, you see color 2, you see the 8 ones in the middle, but they're gonna disappear when you make your work longer. When you see the other side, you see the 8 ones are going disappear well, and you have one color and a second color. So when I take the work I already almost have finished, you're gonna see at the beginning, you can see my 8s as well, and then they're gonna disappear in the work very nicely, and you only will see the 2 size 11s you still put on. So that was my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, a like, or subscribe. Thank you for watching.